Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw from MetaMask to your bank or exchange. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are on the main page of MetaMask, and from here it's very simple. In the home page, after you settle your account and make sure you verify your information, you will have the options in front of you: fund, swap, send, and receive. And so the deposit is going to be very simple. To withdraw, all you have to do is click on the funding, and then from here you can see the three options where it says deposit, buy, and withdraw, and simply click on the withdraw. Once you do that, it will send you to this page where you can select whichever account you might want. So I have multiple accounts from here, and then make sure that you select the correct region, and then from here select whatever currency you are transferring in: Euro, USD, or any other. Now from here, all you have to do is select whatever account and whatever cryptocurrency asset that you have that you want to sell. Click on whatever amount that you want to withdraw and simply send to your cash to, and then from here you can select either a debit or credit card that will reach to your card directly, or to the bank account in general, where you can see the SEPA bank transfer button right here. Once you do that, you can simply click on get quotes, and that will get you the amount of information that you're going to pay, and then you're going to continue with MoonPay, which is their preferred method. And from that, you can now have your exchange wallet to your bank account directly. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.